In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download GOG Client, install it properly, and get GOG Galaxy up and running on your Windows PC in just a few simple steps. If you've been trying to find the official download and you want the safest, easiest way to install it, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official GOG Galaxy download page at GOG.com Galaxy. It's always best to use the official website so you know you're getting the latest and safest version of the client. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download GOG Galaxy 2.0 and click it. Your browser should begin downloading the installer file automatically. After the download finishes, open the downloaded installer file. It will usually be called GOG Galaxy 2.0.exe. If you see it in your downloads bar or in your downloads folder, just double-click it to start the setup process. When the installer opens, click Install and let the GOG Galaxy Web Installer begin setting up the required files. Depending on your internet speed and computer, this may take a few moments, so just wait while it downloads everything needed for the program to run correctly. Once the installation files are ready, follow through the setup steps on the screen. You may be asked to confirm installation options, choose a location, or allow the app to make changes to your device. Just continue through each step until the installation is complete. After everything is finished, you can launch GOG Galaxy from the Start menu, or by using the desktop shortcut if one was created. When the app opens, you're ready to sign in, connect your game library, and start using GOG Galaxy on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the GOG client. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.